It is time for my 9-month starter lock update, you guys. It is crazy to think that we are here already. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. Make sure that you hit subscribe. Let's go ahead and get into this close-up. So honestly, I really feel like my hair is probably about 80% locked up at this point. If not 85 maybe, but my babies are doing the damn thing, y'all. I really cannot believe that I'm almost at a year. I feel like this year has just flown by, which just makes me feel so good, because I know with my last set, I was just so sad about letting them go because I had reached 4 years, and I'm like, damn, you know, I'm already 4 years into the game. Like, you really about to start over? Yeah, I did. So the fact that this set is just moving so much faster and so much more healthy makes me so excited, and I stand by my decision to comb out my first set of locks. I'll be making a video on that at some point. A lot of people have actually been asking me, you know, what happened with my locks? Why did I cut them? Why did I comb them out? Whatever. A lot of people seem to think that I cut them because my hair is so short now, but baby, that's shrinkage. That is shrinkage for you, okay? We black. I'm just happy. Everything is just so natural and so healthy this time, although I do not moisturize as much as I should. If you want me to be quite honest, you guys, sometimes I be going.
I mean, I'm not gonna lie and say I haven't went weeks without moisturizing before, because, you know, that won't be a lie.
I have. Definitely been some weeks. So don't do that though. That's not what I'm telling you to do. Yes, my hair is still doing good, looking good, but that's one of my biggest flaws. And don't start out lazy, because you're gonna be lazy the whole time, and then you're gonna be looking sorry and sad when they dry and brittle. Okay, so do right from the beginning. Don't do like me all the time. You know, I'm here to help you guys, but I also know that I need to be helping myself. So not a loctician, I tell you guys that all the time. But yes, moisturize your locks, keep them covered up. Look at Grandma C looking good, baby. I can't wait till my 1-year lock anniversary, y'all. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but your girl may bust out with some red locks. Like, that's all I'm thinking. That's really, I've already decided. I was kind of like iffy, like, will I bleach this set of locks? Like, maybe if I bleach them and then take care of them. I'm not bleaching. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm not bleaching this time. I'm really not. And that's the reason why my hair is, you see like these little really golden brown patches and stuff. That's from dyeing and bleaching my hair from my last set. So I mean, it look cute, it's all right, but I'm not bleaching nothing no more. That's it for me, because that's a no. Okay, we doing good, we doing great. Look at this, y'all. That's damn near locked. That is locked. So you guys, go ahead and enjoy this knot out now. And then after that, that's all I got for y'all. So.
Grandma?
Yeah, it's time for these to come out because my head is itching, hurting, all that. So I've already went ahead and taken all the rubber bands out. Oh no! Hey, look, I done went from Bethel to Grenadine. Good girl. Hell yeah. Alright. Okay, I was back. So this is what I decided to do. I just pinned some back here, and then I just went in and just kind of like twisted them into each other so that way they weren't all like just all over the place. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you for the next video.